We haven't seen you for a long time. You look great. Did something happen that made you happy?
My friends who works in the museum cared about me. They're worried that I escaped from the Louvre again because the work stress. So they gave me a Yaber V2 projector as a gift. Well, last night I was laying on the bed and I projected the Starry Night on the ceiling of my bedroom. It's quite helpful for falling asleep. Since I've got the Yaber V2 projector, I could see my friends on FaceTime without going out. The pandemic is still quite serious. I think that I'd better not go out. Oh, right. I want to recommend the Yaber V2 projector to you too. The viewing experience is superb. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.